Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about polls and how you can incorporate a poll into your experience. The build is very similar to media walls, so if you've seen media walls, it works in a very similar fashion. Let's go ahead and get started by clicking Create Experience. Now I'm just going to style my character scene really quick. We'll go into characters, maybe we'll find a cool animated GIF, and this clapping guy looks pretty cool. Let's use that. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask a very simple question here. We'll say, what is your favorite color? Let's add 4 options here. And what I'm going to do is just style the buttons really quick. Maybe we'll make them a deeper bluish color. That's perfect. And we'll add 3 colors, red, blue, green, and then I'm going to type other here. So let's go ahead and add our poll scene. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to click add new, and then we're going to click on the poll scene here. So we have a poll, we don't have a poll selected, and just like media walls, we're going to have to save the data to the poll. So in order to do that, we're going to click on add new. Then we're going to go into the polls section. You can see the record block records its input as a vote in the poll. So we'll add that, we'll put that right in between these 2 scenes, and then we'll link red to record vote, blue to record vote, and green to record vote. Now for other, I wanted to give the option that someone could type in their own color to vote for. So in order to do that, we're going to use a text input scene. We'll put that down here. We'll say, what is your favorite color? And then we'll link other to this text input here. Now we'll link the keyboard to the record vote block. Now you can see that you can add buttons to have votes for the poll, but you can also use text inputs and record that as a vote to the poll. Lastly, let's get the transition from the block to the poll scene. And just like media walls, we have to create the poll here. So I'm going to go into the block. If you have a poll created already, you can use polls that you've already created. I'm just going to click on new to create a new poll. So we're going to ask our question here, what is your favorite color? And then the description, let's see the results. Once you've finished your name and description, just click on Create Poll to create the poll, and you can see that it is now selected here. We also need to select it in our poll scene, so let's do that. We'll click on the poll. We will go into the poll drop-down, and then it should be all the way at the bottom. There we go. What is your favorite color? Very nice. A preview should appear in the poll scene, and there it is. What is your favorite color? Let's see the results. So now let's just add a character scene to end the experience. We'll say something like, thanks for voting, and we'll have a button that says end experience, and we'll link the poll scene to the character scene. So our button needs to end the experience. We'll make it end the experience. And that is it. Let's take a look at what we just learned. So you can create polls by having a character scene or a text input scene feed into a record vote block, which saves the data and then links to a poll scene, which displays the poll. Now let's just publish the experience. Call this tutorial poll scene. I'll click publish. And now let me just zoom in so that you can scan this code, try out the poll, vote for your favorite color. I hope you learned a lot about how to create a poll and incorporate a poll in your experience, and we will see you next time.